Hi, my name is Vincent Astor, and I am a historian of the gay and lesbian community here in Memphis. A lot of our history has been lost or obliterated throughout the centuries, but if you want to find out about local history, it's much easier than you imagine. It's all 3 floors up in the Memphis Shelby County room in the history department. You want to know when Pride was first celebrated in Memphis? The first recorded Pride celebration in Memphis is in this bound edition of Gaiety newspaper from 1976. You want to know how many bars there were in Memphis in 1999? You can check out this bound edition of the Triangle Journal News and find out. You want to know when Out Memphis, the Memphis Gay and Lesbian Community Center, was founded? It's in this bound edition of Gays in 1990. Do you want to know what was going on in the African American community in 2005? It's in this bound edition of Family and Friends, right upstairs. So there's a lot you can find out really, really easily going up 3 floors to the history department in the Memphis and Shelby County room and call for any of these periodicals. You can also get a recent copy of Focus magazine and find even more memorabilia and information in the Astor collection. Yep, it's mine. And here's the finding aid. You can find it all 3 floors up at the Hook Central Library in the history department. Just ask. That's all you have to do.